how to design a driveway with an integrated heating cables. This is Mike from Action Home Services, and when we come into the job site to design a heated driveway or a heated porch for your property, we take into the consideration the slope to make sure it has the water drains properly. We ensure the drainage so the water has a place to go, otherwise it will freeze or your heating system will end up working full time, which will cost you a lot of money, and this is a common mistake unprofessionals make. Also, we'll take into the consideration the landscaping around your house to make sure it's fully integrated to the whole property. At Action Home Services, we will also handle all the permits for you because we want the work to be done legal and last for long years. After that, we will choose what type of surface you would want to have, whether concrete, asphalt, interlock or any other pavers. And after that, we will provide you a quote and we can go ahead and build you a heated driveway, heated porch, or anything else you want heated. Call Action Home Services. We take into consideration a budget, how you will utilize your space, and we'll take care of you.